You have some?
I got no time for Peter Parker stuff. I lost Gwen. She was my MJ. I couldn't save her. I'm never gonna be able to forgive myself. Okay, when I say you turn that power on, you turn it on. No matter what.
Peter.
No matter what.
Comprei